Meaning of embolden.
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 Embolden. Embolden means to make someone feel more confident or courageous. When a person is emboldened, they are more willing to take risks and stand up for themselves or their beliefs. This often leads to a positive outcome, as the person is more likely to succeed or achieve their goals. Emboldening can be done through various means, such as offering encouragement, providing support, or leading by example. Ultimately, emboldening someone can lead to personal growth and a sense of empowerment, which can have far-reaching benefits in both personal and professional settings.